Fix Microsoft Office error code 0 to 2048 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Network Troubleshooter. An unstable network can disrupt the download of installation files. In this case, you might be able to find connectivity issues by using Network and Internet Troubleshooter. Fix 2. Run the installer as administrator. Insufficient permissions can prevent Office from installing correctly. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Perform disk cleanup. Sometimes, a cluttered cache of files or a lack of accessible space can cause issues during the installation process. Fix 4. Uninstall any previous Office installations. Conflicts may arise from leftover files or from not fully uninstalling earlier versions of Office. The problem can be fixed by deleting outdated installs entirely. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 5. Run SFC and DISM scans. Corrupted system files can interfere with the Office installation, resulting in the error code 0 to 2048. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, use the offline installer.